Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to completely remove a team member from Asana. Whether you're managing departing employees or cleaning up your organization's roster, this process ensures that the person loses all access to your workspace and projects. First, log into your Asana account by heading over to app.asana.com. Once you're logged in and viewing your workspace, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find your profile photo. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several account options. From that drop-down menu, select Admin Console. This is the control center for managing your entire organization, but keep in mind that you'll need admin privileges to access this feature. If you don't see this option, you'll need to request admin access from someone who currently has those permissions. Once you're inside the admin console, look for the Members tab and click on it. This section displays everyone who currently has access to your Asana organization, making it easy to manage your team roster. If you have a large team, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific person you want to remove rather than scrolling through the entire list. After you found the team member you want to remove, click on the three-dot icon that appears next to their name. This opens a menu with various management options for that particular member. From the menu that appears, select Remove. Asana will then prompt you with a confirmation dialog to ensure you really want to proceed with this action. Since removing someone is a significant step that affects their access to all projects and tasks within your organization, go ahead and confirm the removal. Once confirmed, the team member will be immediately deactivated from your organization and will no longer have access to any of your Asana workspaces, projects, or data. Their past work and comments will remain visible for record-keeping purposes, but they won't be able to log in or make any further changes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.